Today we're making codfish and potato casserole. You're gonna need 2 packs of saltfish or codfish, 6 to 7 large baked potatoes, 8 boiled eggs, 2 medium or large onions, 5 bell peppers, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1 cup of grated cheese, 6 tomatoes, or 3 large tomatoes. Let's get ready to make our codfish and potato casserole. We gotta get our saltfish prepared. In a bowl, soak your codfish in water and add a little lemon juice and set aside for 1 hour. After soaking for 1 hour, put your codfish to boil for 15 minutes. After your codfish is cooked, drain the water out, then rinse out with cold water. Using your hands after your codfish is cool enough, dice into medium pieces. Do not remove all the salt since you will not be adding salt to this dish. The salt from the codfish will be enough. Then put your codfish aside. We have already done this for you. Let's get your bell peppers cleaned and sliced. We're looking for long slices. Let's get ready to slice your juicy tomatoes. About 1/4 inch wide. Peel and slice your onions. Crack and peel your hard-boiled eggs. Peel the skin off your baked potato. Put a little olive oil in the bottom of your Pyrex dish. Getting ready to put our codfish and potato casserole together. Slice our potatoes. Add your tomato slice. Add your codfish. Add your onions on top. Bell peppers. Add your egg. We're making 2 casseroles. If you want only 1 casserole, just use half the ingredient amount. Add your next layer of potato on top. Grab your 1/4 cup of olive oil and we're gonna drizzle on top. We're not gonna add our cheese on top yet. We're gonna cover up and put in the oven. And we're gonna let it bake for 15 to 20 minutes before we sprinkle cheese on top. It's been 20 minutes. We removed our codfish and potato casserole out the oven. Time to add our cheese on top. Cheesy, cheesy. We'll put back in the oven for another 15 minutes uncovered. Codfish and potato casserole out the oven. Delicious. We made 2 sets. One with some smaller potatoes on top, and then the other with large potatoes. It's cheesy. It's bursting with flavor. The layers. Amazing. Make this for your family today. They'll be happy. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.